participate in a regional White House forum on health reform. Few challenges we face are as complex and consequential as fixing our health system. That's why reforming healthcare is a top priority for my administration. Our economic crisis has only heightened the urgency of our healthcare challenge. The crushing cost of healthcare is battering businesses, squeezing our states, and increasingly imperiling our own budget and threatening our long-term prosperity. And it also directly affects the budgets of families all across this country who face premiums that have doubled over the last 8 years. Families who sit around the kitchen table struggling to make impossible choices between paying rent or paying premiums to cover themselves and their children. That's why we recently held a White House forum on health reform that brought together Republicans, Democrats, key stakeholders, and Americans from across the country to discuss reforming our healthcare system. But we need your help too. Health reform cannot be achieved through ideas from Washington alone. We are committed to continuing an open, inclusive, and transparent process that allows people from around the country to have a voice and direct involvement in our country's health reform efforts. Because through your own experience, you know what works, what doesn't, and what can be done to help all Americans have affordable, quality health care and to live longer, healthier lives. In December, we asked concerned citizens around the country to hold healthcare community discussions to tell us your ideas about the problems you face and the solutions you propose. More than 3,000 meetings were held in all 50 states and the District of Columbia, and attended by more than 30,000 people. You can read the final report of what we learned from Americans on www.healthreform.gov, and I look forward to hearing your ideas too. Thank you again for participating in a regional White House forum on health reform. Health reform cannot wait another year, and together we can ensure that all Americans have quality, affordable health care.